Happy birthday, Ligna, for your first 50 years. And we at SCM have never missed any edition, showing up, meeting our clients, sharing the latest and greatest in woodworking innovation. And this year too, at our stands of about 3,000 square meters in all 13 and all 16, we have brought a lot of new things. So come on, follow me to discover them. Here we are at the heart of SCM stand in all 13, a large open space where you can meet our experts in software and digital services, ensuring production continuity and high efficiency. Among these are new services enabled by IoT platform and the SCM control room to meet customer needs in terms of technical support, monitoring, advisory and productivity. We have also got corners for different applications where our sales team with super interactive tools will guide you through all SCM process applications. But for an extra special experience, you can jump inside the real factory through our Smart and Human Factory VR. Wow, it's amazing. Don't miss it. Not just digital. At the SCM stand, you will find also an integrated sales system for the furniture industry that integrates advanced technologies for panel siding, edge banding, and drilling, with automated warehouse, industrial robots, and handling systems. We have got 4 live demos happening every day in German and English. And thanks to our hanging cameras and big screens, you won't miss a thing. And the engineering solution offering for the wood industries is completed by Technologica, a company of SCM Group specializing in high-end technological solutions. And at Ligna, it presents a system that redefines a new paradigm in automation in the woodworking industry. It's absolutely a game-changer stuff, believe me. Among SCM many innovations are brand new systems for timber construction, CNC machining centers for solid wood and panel processing, along with the edge benders, 2-feed molders and joinery machines. New models, more powerful, thanks also to the implementation of new user-friendly software. You need to see them in action. Naturally, within the SCM wide offering, surface treatment solutions are a must. So let's head to all 16. Here we are at the SCM and SUPERFICI stand in all 16, where we present a wide range of solutions for surface treatment, a process in which SCM Wood Division is a market benchmark, with a complete and integrated solutions for sanding, pressing and finishing products and services, developed to achieve exclusive, refined and trendy finishes. Here you'll find technologies with surprising effects that will open up new and unexpected business ideas. Well, I hope I've got you curious. Come and visit us. Everything here is 100% made in Italy, just like this espresso. We can't wait to welcome you.